client credit journey. RiskWorks. RiskWorks is a leading financial analytics and technology consultancy, focused primarily on regulatory banking solutions and financial risk management. The company comprises of consultants who are strong in finance, financial risk, mathematics, information technology, actuarial science and data science fields. Drawing on 20 years of South African risk management consulting, we aim to provide market-leading risk analytics solutions that deliver lasting value to clients, and to enable an informed strategic decision-making process. Intuitive Data. Intuitive Data Proprietary is a consulting team of data management specialists, compliance, IFRS, Basel, and risk modeling experts working with the financial sector, particularly across the African continent. We assist financial institutions in leverage on their data assets and systems to improve their market competitiveness and bottom lines. Our team of industry-weathered professionals consists of practicing chartered accountants, actuarial experts, mathematicians and data scientists. RiskWorks and Intuitive Data collaborate on projects to provide sustainable benefit to clients. Introduction. In this video, we highlight the use of internal credit risk rating scorecards by following through a client's credit journey. Please note we talk of internal credit risk rating scorecards, which are different from credit bureau ratings for individual credit rating status, and corporate credit ratings obtained from credit agencies like Moody's for listed entities. Introduction continued. The presentation follows through a client's credit journey, and exposes how a lending institution can leverage off a well-crafted internal rating scorecards into its other processes. Internal credit risk rating scorecards offer various uses including systematic loan approval process, pricing, risk management models, keeping of historical data records used for further analytics. RiskWorks in conjunction with Intuitive Data can provide support in developing internal credit risk rating scorecards, review adequacy of data collected during the loan application process, provide guidance in the various uses of scorecards and benefits derived therefrom. Internal credit scorecards. Rationale. Credit assessment for commercial customers can sometimes present a challenge for banks. It is often not cost-effective to apply the intensive, bespoke credit analysis used for large and global corporate customers. In many cases, the optimum approach is to apply what is known as an expert judgment credit rating model. This should reduce costs, speed up decision-making, and improve the predictability and consistency of lending decisions. Overview. With credit scorecards, we should emphasize that there is no right answer, and every bank will have a slightly different solution depending on their business environment, marketing strategy, and internal risk culture. We do believe, however, that we are capable of helping your institution with a model that is extremely sound, and provides an excellent illustration of the key principles. The model we use scores a client from a number of dimensions including economic and industry analysis, customer profiling, business risk reviews, financial statement analysis. RiskWorks in conjunction with Intuitive can help implement a commercial credit risk expert judgment system. It is highly customizable and, with suitable tailoring, can meet a range of rating challenges. Role players. Client, Mzanco Sena. Company, Mzanco Sena Proprietary Limited. Bank, XYZ Bank. Relationship Manager. Credit Analyst. Credit Risk Manager. Here, we take you through Mzanco Sena Proprietary Limited's credit journey and in the process highlight the link between collected loan application details and credit risk management to scorecards. Mzanco Sena runs a business, Mzanco Sena Proprietary Limited, which owns a fleet of trucks. The trucks carry coal from neighboring Mozambique to South Africa. She has experienced the boom in the business fortunes. She wants to buy additional fleet using a term loan or finance lease from the bank. She approaches her banker at XYZ Bank about the request. She was asked to complete a loan application form which required the following details amongst other information: name of company, year of incorporation, management details, cash flows, debt-equity ratio, collateral, financial statements, and the usual know your customer details. The completed application form is then passed on to the credit analyst of XYZ Bank. The credit analyst undertakes the loan appraisal process for Nkosana Proprietary Limited. As part of the credit assessment, XYZ Bank uses a combination of expert and quantitative models. One of the quantitative models the bank uses is an internal ratings scorecard. Information collected during the loan application process forms part of the detail used in deriving the scorecards, for example, management details, cash flows, debt-equity ratio, collateral, etc. Once the credit appraisal process is concluded, including site visits, and the credit committee or manager agrees to fund Nkosana Proprietary Limited, a loan agreement is drafted and later signed between the two parties. Following on the granting of the loan facility, XYZ Bank employs credit risk management practices throughout the life cycle of the loan. Part of the risk management practices include calculating probability of default used for expected credit loss calculation and client staging and the IFRS 9 impairment model. Used in PD derivations depending calculation methodology chosen. Conclusion: institutions that have implemented internal credit rating scorecards have seen an improvement in the quality of decisions they make. They have also found out that most of the information they need to develop the scorecards is collected during the loan application process. Embedding such models in the credit cycle of the banks has built a culture of systematic and consistent approaches to loan approvals and pricing. We are here to support you should you need more education and implementation of the ratings scorecards. Contact us on RiskWorks. Paul Robson. Robson@riskworks.com. Intuitive Data. Innocent Nhiranda. Nhiranda@intuitivedata.co.za